my dog. So this is my dog. Come here, Eddie. He is a mixed breed. I need some dog experts because I really want to know, if you look closely, what kind of what kind of breed he is. Like what kind of mix of breeds he is. He's a mixed breed mutt. He's a very sweet boy. Come here, Eddie. Come here. Here, baby. Here. And what kind of breeds is he? I think he looks part beagle because his big floppy ears. But come here, Eddie. Ed. So, if you look closely, what kind of breeds is he? Oh. So any dog experts know? Thank you. I just really want to know what kind of breeds he is. So, yep. Okay, here. See ya. Thank you. Thanks. I need some help, dog experts. Thank you.